Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how to enable Apple Intelligence on your iPhone, even if you're outside of the USA. Before we get started, a quick reminder to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more awesome tech tips and tricks. Now, let's dive in. First things first, Apple Intelligence is only available for iPhone 15 Pro models or later. So if you have an older iPhone, including the regular iPhone 15, unfortunately, this won't work for you. Also, this method won't work in China and Europe. You'll have to wait for the official release. For Europe, that's expected around April 2025. The date for China is currently unconfirmed. But if you're in the UK, like me, this method will work, since we're no longer part of the European Union. Alright, let's get started. First, make sure your iPhone is updated to iOS 18.1 or later. Go to your Settings app, scroll down to General, and then tap on Software Update. Check for updates there. I'm currently on iOS 18.1, but depending on when you're watching this, there might be a later version available. Once your iPhone is updated, we need to change your language and region to the United States. Apple Intelligence is only available in the US right now. Go back to the Settings app, scroll down to General again, and then tap on Language and Region. Tap on Region, and change it to United States. You'll get a prompt. Just confirm by tapping Change to English, US. Your iPhone will reboot, so don't worry if the screen goes blank for a few seconds. Now that your region is set to the United States, let's double-check your preferred language. Tap on Language at the top. Make sure English, US is selected. If not, select it. If you have multiple languages listed, make sure US English is at the top. Okay, language and region are set to the United States. Now, let's set up Apple Intelligence. Go back to the main settings menu and scroll down. You should see a new setting called Apple Intelligence at Siri. Tap on that. It's important to set the Apple Intelligence language to English, United States here as well. Select language and choose English, United States. You'll get another prompt to change the language. Tap Change Language. After a few seconds, you should see a button that says, Join the Apple Intelligence waitlist. Tap on that. This will give you a summary of the new features. When you're ready, tap Join Waitlist. You're now successfully on the waitlist to use Apple Intelligence. From what others have experienced, it only takes a few minutes for the features to activate. Pause, imagine a short waiting period here. Okay, it's been less than 10 minutes for me, and I can already use the Apple Intelligence features. When you're ready, tap on Turn on Apple Intelligence. You'll get another overview. Tap Continue, and you can set up some customization options. Just go through the prompts to customize it to your liking. And that's it. You're now successfully using the new Apple Intelligence features on your iPhone. For example, if I hold the power button on the side of my iPhone, I can start talking to Siri just like normal. Another cool feature is that you can now type to Siri. Just double-click at the very bottom of your iPhone screen, where the home bar used to be, and you can type in your request. And that's how you enable Apple Intelligence on your iPhone outside of the USA. If this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Thanks for watching.